headlines for the day. Singham Ajay Devgan and fiery damsel Kajol, the pair is a hit on an adult website. The video has this pair and was uploaded on a very famous site, and it is viral too. And now that your brains are driving fast to catch on the couple's romantic bedroom scene, you will be in for a shocker, as nothing like that is in that video. Nope, there is no porn. Making it clear for all the fans of Kajol and Ajay that some unknown identity has uploaded the song Ajnabi Mujhko Itna Bata from the movie Pyar To Hona Hi Tha, which stars this couple. While Ajay and Kajol are not even concerned, as they are busy in their respective shoots of Shivaya and Dilwale. But this is shocking as well as hilarious. What would be Ajay and Kajol's thoughts on this? Do comment. Do you remember Nawazuddin Siddiqui in Bajrangi Bhaijaan? He was a pivotal character in the movie and created a major difference in the flick. Well, Chand Nawab, a Pakistani reporter, tried to do something similar maybe, but was caught and beaten up black and blue by the Karachi police. Chand Nawab tried to imitate Nawaz's stint in the cross-border flick maybe, and that is the reason he was bashed by the police. We all have seen how Nawaz did a big turnaround role in the cross-border flick, and maybe Shadab tried to gain some footage similarly. Unfortunately, it backfired for him. Isn't that so bad? Well, Salman's Bajrangi sure is going places and now lands in Pakistan. Meanwhile, Bhai is busy with his upcoming Prem Ratan Dhan Payo Diwali release. And then of course it's time for his muscle flexing Sultan. Well, we all do know that Salman Khan is very busy with the shoot of upcoming Bigg Boss 9, the reality show on television. The timing for the show is out, and boy, aren't we waiting for the Double Trouble show on October 11, 2015 from 10:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. So what is with the show time? Why has it changed? It is believed that the reality show is certainly not for family viewing, so the time has changed. Well, yes, we do agree that the show should only be for adult viewing, because why would we have Salman endorse something that indicates a lot of controversy and trouble? So we are now ready with the contestants of the much-awaited reality show Bigg Boss 9. We sure feel that the attraction for the show would only be our own Bhaijan Salman Khan. That apart, his presence makes up for all those contestants, some of them known and some who would get to be known. The theme this time is Double Trouble. A video of Salman introducing the show as 1 + 1 is double, meaning Double Trouble explains it all. Salman looks suave in it, and there is this infectious charisma in him which beats us, and we keep wondering what is it that makes the Dabangg Khan tick, hai na? As for him, he's not only busy with the show shoot but also with the upcoming Diwali release Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.